Joyce Owens, and I've been coming here approximately 2 months. When I first came in, I had told Dr. Crater that I was willing to try this, and he told me that I would start losing weight without exercise, and I thought, well, his eyes are brown for a reason, because he's full of bull. I went on the program. I've so far lost 15 pounds, which to me is amazing because for a year before I was going to the Y and I was walking 4 miles every single day, 5 days a week, and I couldn't lose an ounce. And I'm not exercising now. And when I get on the scale that I've gone down a little bit, I go, oh, this is great. It's unbelievable. And I'm taking less insulin than what I've taken before, and my blood sugars are lower than they have been since I was diagnosed with diabetes. My blood sugar this morning was 100, and 3 months ago, I thought 134 was low in the morning. And I haven't gone above 136 even of an afternoon. So I recommend him.